In this video, I'll show you how to input paper in your Epson EcoTank ET-3850. So let's get started. You're gonna go right in the front. You're gonna put your fingers in this gap and pull the drawer. This drawer comes out almost completely. Today I'll input some regular US letter size paper. So what I will do, you see these plastic guides are moving. You'll need to pinch this blue one and push it towards the extremity of this drawer so the paper can go right over here. Take your stack of paper, align, and simply glide the whole stack in between the two blue guides. I mean, one is blue, one is white. If you're gonna use legal size paper with this printer, you'll have to extend this small gray tab over here, and you see it says LGL for legal size. So the paper will go and stop right over there. You also have to keep this door open if you have legal size paper. But in my case, this is US letter size. So I'll simply close it and put back the drawer inside. Just like that. When time comes to print, you'll have to deploy the output tray. This is where the results will come out of the printer. Then once you have input paper, you'll be asked on the display of the printer to confirm the size and type. So over here I have US letter size 8.5 by 11, so I'll leave it like this. But if you want to modify, simply press OK and you'll be able to choose another size if this is what you have put inside. And then you have paper type. In my case, it's simply plain paper, so I'll leave it like this. But if you're printing on glossy, go ahead and change this. Once you finish, go ahead and select Done on the top right corner. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, check my Amazon links to get paper for this printer. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.